In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add business location in Google Maps. We'll walk through the essential clicks and what to fill out, plus practical tips to keep your listing clean and easy to find. Start by opening Google Maps on your PC. Using a computer makes it easier to see every option and type details accurately. Give the page a second to load so the interface is fully ready. Next, look for the menu icon near the top left corner of the map. It looks like three horizontal lines. Click it to open the side panel that gathers all the controls you'll need for managing places and contributions. Inside this panel, find and click Add Your Business. This is the doorway to creating a business place on the map so you can appear when people search in your area. If your screen is small, scroll through the panel until you see it. You'll be asked for your business name. Type the exact real-world name customers see on your storefront, receipts, and website. Keep it clean. Avoid extra keywords, emojis, or all caps. Consistency builds trust and helps customers recognize you across the web. Then choose the correct business category. This acts like your main label and helps Google show you for relevant searches. Pick the category that best describes what you are primarily known for, such as bakery, auto repair shop, or hair salon. If you're unsure, think about the single-service customers most often come to you for. You can refine additional details later, but your primary category should be accurate today. Now enter your business address. Type it exactly as it appears in official mail, including any suite or unit numbers. Double-check the street number, spelling, city, and postal code. Accuracy here matters because it determines where your PIN shows up and how customers get directions. If your building has multiple entrances, use the address customers use to find your front door. Avoid abbreviations that could confuse navigation, and make sure the address matches what's on your signage and website. After you've entered these details, review everything once more. A quick scan now prevents confusion later and makes your listing more discoverable. When you're happy with the information, continue following the on-screen prompts to save your place. That's it. Your path to getting a business location onto Google Maps starts with these simple steps. Thanks for watching, and good luck putting your business on the map.